In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track form submissions in Pipedrive. We'll walk through a simple way to see how your forms are performing, so you can understand where your leads are coming from and how well your forms are converting. By the end, you'll have a report sitting right inside your Insights dashboard that automatically updates as new submissions come in. First, open your Pipedrive account and look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a bar chart icon there, and that's the Insights section. Go ahead and click that. Insights is where Pipedrive keeps all of your reports and dashboards, so this is the place where we'll build something to track your forms. Once you're inside Insights, look for the plus icon, usually near the top. Click the plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose Report. When you're asked what kind of report you want to create, select Activity if you're tracking form submissions that create activities, or Lead if your forms are creating leads directly. Pick the option that best matches how your forms are currently feeding into Pipedrive. If you're unsure, Activity is often a good starting point, and you can always come back and adjust this later. Next, you'll be asked to choose the source for your report. Here, select Performance. The performance source is designed to help you analyze results over time, so it's perfect for understanding how many submissions you're getting and when they're coming in. Now, it's time to narrow things down so you're actually seeing your form submissions rather than every single activity or lead. Use the filters in the report builder and filter by form name or by creation date. If you have multiple forms, filtering by form name lets you focus on a specific one, like a contact form or a demo request form. Filtering by creation date is useful if you want to see submissions from a particular time range, such as this week, this month, or a custom period. Take a moment to adjust these filters until the data you see matches what you expect. This is a good chance to confirm that your forms are being captured in Pipedrive the way you intend. Once everything looks right, click Save. When you save the report, add it to your Pipedrive Insights dashboard so you can quickly access it anytime. From now on, whenever you open Insights, you'll be able to see how many form submissions you're getting and track their performance over time, all in one place.